specimen for I think cat uterus, this one and this one also are cat, and we have here from outside, all of this is the uterine horns. Okay, these are the uterine, maybe this is one uterine horn, all of this, and we have all of these fetae inside. What I want you to notice from outside, this is the wall of the uterus, but we still can see different part here. This is the placenta. This is the zonary placenta. Okay, let us open the uterus and see the endometrium. So this is the chorioallantoic membrane which appeared in front of me. This is the chorioallantoic membrane I am removing or separating. Now I separate the wall of the endometrium, you see, from the placenta. This is the zonary placenta. You see, this is the zonary placenta. Here are the chorioallantoic membrane with the chorionic villi. All of this chorioallantoic membrane, all of this chorioallantoic membrane. But this is the part which makes the exchange. This part does not make any exchange with the fetus because this is not placenta. Okay, this is the placenta zone, and this is called the paraplacenta. Okay, this has no chorionic villi, and this one has rich in chorionic villi. It's called chorion frondosum, and these chorionic villi not just finger-like projections, but they branch like a tree, and we call this type labyrinthine. Labyrinthine, which means it is branchy, a lot of branches present. Okay, so all of this is the chorioallantoic, and when we cut, I think we still have the amniotic membrane, but it is collapsing. Can you see this one? This is the amniotic membrane around the baby. So what we cut first was the chorioallantois. This one is the chorioallantois with its paraplacental part. This part is the transparent part, and this thick part, this is the placental part. All of this is the paraplacenta. Usually, on either side of this placental part, we find dark area, green in the dog and brown in the cat. This is called marginal hematoma. Marginal hematoma, where the blood from the mother is located on either side of the chorionic villi, and this is considered a source for the iron to the baby. And this one is the amniotic membrane. This one is the amniotic membrane. So when the first rupture, the chorioallantois, the baby will be born and is still surrounded by this amniotic membrane. Then the mother or anyone, if you are doing a CS, you remove this and try to clean the mouth so that the animal can start breathe and don't suffocate. Okay? And still here we have the umbilical cord. The same for other structures, and the same for this one. This is for the carnivores. The carnivores have deciduate placenta, which means that the endometrium or the trophoblast invade into the endometrium. Invade into the endometrium. This is also a pregnant one, pregnant dog, as you can see, but this is very early pregnancy